Alright guys, Heart Throb, Lightning Link. Grand is pretty high for this casino. Have $1,000 in the machine and 25 cents. Let's try some $2 bet. $50 bet, the maximum, sorry, $2 denom, $50 bet, which is maximum in this game. All we need is 3 of these moons, so we can get the multiplier bonus. Pretty dry, nothing here. Let's try $1 denom. How's it going, neighbor? Do it. Oh, that would have been a nice jackpot. Teaser, teaser. Alright, back here, let's do some 30s. One more. Sticky button. As usual, this game, or these machines, have always bad buttons. I wonder if it's bad design or really people mess with it. Alright, let's do max bet. $50 a spin. Come on. One more moon, man. One more. I like that. $90 back. It's trying its best to avoid me, which is not cool. Missed it. 3 more. $25 bet. We'll do 4 spins and call it quits. That was jackpot material, by the way. That was jackpot material. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Hey guys, max bet, $50 a spin, 3 moons. We're playing a 5-line Heart Throb, Lightning Link, maxed out major. If we get just 1 line of 16x multiplier, we could go home rich. That was a blocker. Oh my god. Almost. Still nice. This is 2,000 bucks, guys. If we had one more here, would have been like 20 G's. Alright, let's get another line. You can do it. Ah, we got blocked. Alright, 2,100. Beautiful jackpot. That was a good bonus, but not like the best. guys. Mini is $500. See the major there. 1 second. It's another jackpot, so come on, save me, save it. Ay, ended it early. That is rude, I agree. All right.
Oh, sweet, right under.
Nope, it's 15. Yep. Alright, thank you guys. Alright, that was an okay bonus. Let's see if we can catch a back-to-back. Max bet. We really want these moons. They're hard to come by, and when they do... Oh, there you go. It's hit or miss. We got it right in the middle. Give me that 16x bonus. There. It got blocked by the flower. If we had 16x on a king, it would be probably $15,000. Blocked by the heart. Come on, 2 more spins. Blocked again. Ay. Yeah, false alarm. That was absolutely false. I'm sorry, the machine is disconnecting and making me double click mistakenly. Alright, let's do 25 here. Then back at 50. Are you gonna do something about it? Come on. Oh, guys, that was already $4,500 there. I think the machine is ready to do something huge. 1 more here. And we switch to $2 max bet, $50 spin. 3 more. $5,000. We're seeing some pretty numbers. Almost. Guys, we'll put in $3 more $100, and we'll be paid in a bit. So we're gonna make this session short. 2 moons again. 2 moons for the 3rd time. Alright, and here's the bonus. Yes, we got the maxed out major. We got the maxed out major. Nice. Alright, give me that $5,000 heart. Or 50. It could pay us up to 250 times our bet, so 12,000 and a half, guys. Thank you, we got that major. Alright, keep us in it. Yes. Come on, 100 times my bet. Give me that 5,000 heart. Save it. All right. Hello. $1,000 major. Not very majory of it, but we will take it. $1,900. Thank you guys for watching. Alright, that was a good bonus. Let's catch that back to back. Maybe here. Load in maybe a couple more hundreds. Let's do one $25 bet. So even though we just hit the major, a reset at 800 because people have been playing it. It was maxed out for a long time. One more. Do it. Maybe one more. Alright, up to $2. The white dove is the highest paying symbol, so 3 in a line will pay you 2 times your bet. Money back. Do it now. We could easily get paid $12,000 in this game. Not easily, but it's like, it'll be a decent one. Let's try some $40 bets. Close. Do it. Max bet again. And here's the bonus. That's nice, $40. Let's do 130 and max bet. Alright, thank you guys for watching. Alright, waiting for my big jackpot to be paid. We've got max bet 3 moons. Heart Throb, give me that 16x multiplier. That was blocker. Come on, multipliers. Don't block me, be nice. Nothing so far. Yep, all blocking it. Alright, nothing in it. Just sad bonus. Alright, thank you for watching. That was sad. Alright guys, I moved to the next machine, Magic Pearl. I put in $1,000 in it. We get the bonus with the major. Major is not the highest, but it's not the lowest. So we've got a jackpot here. Please, let's make it a sizable one. We need something ginormous right now. A minor would do it. Minor mini. That's a decent one. Let's do that again. I love it. Alright, alright. Alright. Hello. 645 major. Look at that. was a good one. 28.45. Thank you for watching. Guys, we've got 4 moons. Max bet, $50 spin. That pays 10 times our bet to start with. Are we gonna get that 16xer? Please and thank you. Come on, you can do it one time. Can't see multipliers, they're just not there. Yep. Just dead bonus. That's sad. Paid nothing. Alright, we're getting paid. We'll be back in a sec. Do it. 2 more. Oh, how dare you. The minor, $40 bet. 3 moons. Be nice. Absolutely nothing. Alright, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Is this bonus going to count? This is bonus number 4 or 5. It is becoming very impressive that these bonus means nothing. They mean you're getting 0 money. Like, there's no need to give me the bonus if it's not gonna pay me anything, right? Got 4 or 5 bonuses with nothing in them. 0. Please give me something. Alright guys, after a big investment, maybe about 150 spins with nothing, we've got max bet bonus with big numbers. Look at that. We've got 12, 50, 1,000, 2,300, about 3 something. So let's get that big one. 12,500 ball. Yup, these are good numbers. Give me the minor, blue heart. Blue heart, baby. Save it. All right, that was short. Now we're talking. That's a good one. Beautiful. Thank you for watching.